So this is called lower limit. This is called upper limit. The difference is called class interval. Mean is equal to A plus or minus sigma ft dash divided by n into c. N means total number of frequency, where c is equal to class interval, where A is assumed less than 30, less than 40, less than 50, less than 60. So there is a difference of 10 difference. Hello, my dear student. I am Dr. B.S. Subramania, called by name Dr. B.S.S., Professor in Commerce and Management, Vidhyaashram First Aid College at Temple of Excellence, Mysuru. In this session, I am going to hand Business Statistics, third semester, Unit 1, Session 5 in favor of BCom, measure of central tendency. This is a problem they have given. They will ask the question for 15 marks. This is for 15 marks. They will ask for 15 marks. So they have given a class 50 to 60, 60 to 70. Here, what you have to learn. So this first one is called lower limit. Second one is called upper limit. This is called L1. This is L2. The difference between is called class interval. When you say 50 to 60, it is 50, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59 only. 60. So there is a difference of 10. 60 to 70 means it is only 69 only. 60 is there, 69 only. So this is called lower limit. This is called upper limit. The difference is called class interval. Then when you see the frequency, you have to look after 5, 15, 20, 6, increase. Suddenly fall down to 40. So there must be variation in number. When there is a variation, then only it is called frequency. By chance, if it goes 61, 140, 225, 310, 335, it is called cumulative frequency. So now we are going to calculate mean, median, and mode. What is the first step? Add the frequency. First one is 5 plus 15 plus 20 plus 61 plus 40 plus 25 plus 10 plus 3. It is 179. You call this as N as 179. Then find out the mid value. It's called mid value. Mid value. Add both. 50 plus 60 is 110. Divided by 2 is 55. Add both. 110 divided by 2 is 55. This 60 plus 70, 130. Divided by 2 is 65. So there is a difference of 10. 65, 75, 85, 95, then it is 105, then it is 230 divided by 2. This 115, 10, then it is 120, 150 is there, no? This is 120 plus 130 divided by 2, 125. Difference of 10. 55, 65, 75, 85, 95, 105, 115, then 105, 10 means 115, 125. Make the D dash. Assume 55 as 0. This is assumption. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Then multiplied by F. Ft dash. So 5 into 0 is 0. 15 ones are 15. 22s are 40. 61 into 3, 3 ones are 3, 3 6 are 18. 183, 160. 25 into 5, 125. 10 6 are 60. 7 3s are 21. Add the figure. 5 plus 3, 8 plus 3, 15, 14. 1 plus 1, 2, 6, 14, 20, 22, 28, 33, 4, 5, 6. It is 604. Sigma Ft dash. Now, you have to calculate the mean, median and mode. We'll go with the mean. Mean is equal to A plus or minus sigma ft dash divided by n into C. What's the formula? Mean is equal to A plus or minus sigma ft dash divided by n into C. N means total number of frequency, where C is equal to class of interval, where A is assumed. So what is your assumption is 55. What is your sigma ft dash? 604. Divided by number of frequency 179 into class interval is 10. So 55 plus 604 into 10 is equal to 6040 divided by 179 is equal to 33.74. 33.74 plus 55, 88.7. Mean is equal to 88.74. So this is a constant. Don't touch this. Simplify this one and then add. A is a constant separately. You simplify all these things, then only you must add. Then by chance here, no, don't strike off anything like this. Simplify and add. So we have find out the mean. Then we'll move on to median. Median is equal to n by 2. Number of frequency. What is your number of frequency? 179 by 2. So it is 179 by 2, 89.5. Now come back here. Here, mid value is there. Now you have to make the CF here. CF here. What is the first number? 5. Plus 15 is 20. 20 plus 20, 40. 40 plus 61, 101. 101 plus 40, 141. 141 plus 25, 5 plus 1, 6. 166. 176. 179. This and this should be equal to, just adding. What is the first number? 5. 5 plus 15, 20. 20 plus 20, 40. 40 plus 61 is 101. 101 plus 40, 141. 141 plus 25 is 166. 166 plus 10, 176. 176 plus 10 is 179. Now, you find out n by 2. What is your n by 2? 89.5. Find 89.5. Where it will come? Where the 89.5 will come? It will come under 101. This is here your class 80 to 90. So I will write the formula. Write the formula here. So here CF is 101. CS no? Well, you go no. Median is equal to L1 plus n by 2 minus CF over F into C. Which is selected here? Which you are selected? 80. What is your n by 2? 89.5 minus. Behind that, you selected this. Behind is your C, which you have selected 101. Behind is 40 divided by constant frequency of that group. Constant frequency is 61 into your class interval is 10. Simplify. 80. 89 minus 40 is 49.5 divided by 61 into 10. Then 80. Simplify this. 49.5 into 10, 49.5 into 10, 495 divided by 61, 8.11, 88.11 now. This goes in favor of median. Then mode. Mode lies in highest frequency. Here come back. Which is the highest frequency here? 61. This is your F1. Behind is F0. Next is F2. Your model class is 80 to 90. I will write the formula now. Mode is equal to, it is represented by the word called Z. L1 plus F1 minus F0 over 2F1 minus F0 minus F2 into C. So mode is equal to L1 plus F1 minus F0 divided by 2F1 minus F0 minus F2 into C. Come back here. Which your range selected here? 80 to 90, 80. Then F1 is 61 minus, what's your F0? 20 divided by 2 into 61 minus 20. What's your F2? 40 into your class interval is 10. Simplify. 80. 61 minus 20 is 41. This is 2 ones are 2. 2 6 are 122 minus 60 into 10. This is 80 plus 41 into 10 divided by 122 minus 60. 122 minus 60 is 62. This is 80. So this is 410 divided by 62 is equal to 80 plus 410 divided by 62, 6.61, 86.61. But don't divide like this. If you have got 10 fours are 40, it is not in the mathematics. Add and divide, subtract and divide. How it is? Add and divide or subtract and divide. We'll move on to next problem now. Marks. Less than 30, less than 40, less than 50, less than 60. So there is a difference of 10 difference. Less than 30 means difference of 10 deducted. 20 to 30, 30 to 40. You write here. Class less than 30, difference of 10, 20 to 30, 30 to 40, 40 to 50, 50 to 60, 60 to 70, 70 to 80, 80 to 90, 90 to 100. You see the frequency 8, 23, 48, 93, 125, 145, 161. So there is in the ascending order. There is no variation in number. Now you have to convert into frequency. Right here. Frequency. What is the first number? 8. Bring out the difference between first number and second number. 8, 15, 23 means 15. Second and third. Second, 23, 48, 25. Then this is 93 minus 48 is equal to 45. Then 125 minus 93, it is 7, 32. 145 minus 25, this is 20. 145 to 160, it is 15. 160 to 170, it is 10. Add 8 plus 5, 13, 18, 23, 25, 30, 3 plus 1, 4, 8, 12, 15, 17. Here, 8 plus 5, 13, 18, 23, 25, 30, carry 3, 3 plus 1, 4, plus 2, 8, plus 4, 12, 15, 17, this is 3 carry, 3 plus 1, 4, 2, 8, 12, 15, 17, 18, 90. 190 it is coming in. Less than 100 is 170. So 8, 15, 48 means 25. Then 93 minus 48, 93 minus 48, 45, 125 minus 93 is equal to 32. Then 145 minus 20, 160 minus 145 is 15, 170 to 160 is 10. Then this is your 8 plus 15 plus 25 plus 45 plus 32 plus 20 plus 15 plus 10, 170. So n is equal to 170. This and this should be one and the same. Then come back to mid value. 20 plus 10 is 50, divided by 2 is 25. So there is a difference of 10. 35, 45, 55, 65, 75, 85, 95. Difference of 10, 10 goes. Then, what is the next step? D dash, first number as 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Next step, FT dash, frequency. 8 into 0, 0. 15 ones are 15. 25 twos are 50. 45 into 3, 3 fives are 15. 3 fours are 12 plus 1, 135. 32 into 4, 4 twos are 8. 4 threes are 128. 20 into 5 is 100. 15 6 are 90. 10 sevens are 70. Add the figure. It is 15 plus 50 plus 135 plus 128 plus 100 plus 90 plus 70 is equal to 588. Sigma FT dash is 588. Then cumulative frequency CF. What is the first frequency? 8 plus 15 is 23 plus 25. 3 plus 5 is 8. It is 48 plus 45, 93. 93 plus 32, 122. 122 plus 20, 142. 142 plus this is 15, 147, 150. This is 8 plus 15 is 23. 23 plus 5, 28. 48. 48 plus 5. 48 plus 5, 15. 8 plus 5, 15. 1 plus 4, 5 plus 9, 93. 93 plus 32, 3 plus 2, 5. 9 plus 122. 122 plus 20 is 142. 142 plus 15, 157. 8 plus 5, 13, 18, 23, 25, 30. 3 plus 1, 4, 8, 12, 15, 17, 30. 3 plus 1, 4, 5, 7, 10, 14, 16, 17. Correct. You have to make the CF here. First is 8. 8 plus 15 is 23. 23 plus 5 is 48. 48 plus 45 is 93. 93 plus 32. 93 plus 32 is equal to 93 plus 32 is equal to 125. So 125 plus 30, 20, 145. 145, 15 is 160, 170. These two should be equal. 170, 170 should be equal. Okay. Now, we have to go with the mean, median and mode. Okay. Slowly we'll go. Here we start here. Mean is equal to A plus or minus sigma ft dash divided by n into c. What is your assumed here? 25. What is your sigma ft dash here? Your ft dash 588. Number of frequency 170 into your class interval is 10. Simplify 25. See this? You have to apply the formula. Mean sigma ft dash is 588 divided by 170 into 10. This is 588 into 10 is equal to 5,880 divided by 170, 34.58. 34.58. So this is equal to plus 25, 59.58. This goes in favor of mean. When you say x bar, it's called mean of r, x mean. So this goes in favor of mean. Then median is equal to n by 2. What's your number of frequency? 170 by 2. 2 8s are 16, 2 5s are 10. 85. Find 85 in CF. Here, 85 comes under 93. This is your class 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. This is a class you have to select it. This is your frequency. This is your F. This is your CF. Apply the formula. Median is equal to L1 n by 2 minus CF over F into C. Apply. Which range you have selected? 50 to 60. 50. What's your n by 2? You divide, no? N by 2 is 85. 85 minus your CF is 48 divided by constant frequency is also your CF is 48, constant frequency is 45 into class interval is 10. 50 deduct 85 minus 48. 85 minus 48 is equal to 37 divided by 45 into 10. This is 50 divided by 370 divided by 45. This is 50 plus 370 divided by 45, 8.22, 58.22. This is your median. Now you go to mode. Mode lies in highest frequency. Mode lies in highest frequency. See the problem? Which is your highest frequency here? 45. This is your F1, behind is F0, next is F2. Highest 45. Which range? No, highest is 50 to 60. We'll write the formula. Mode is equal to L1 plus F1 minus F0 divided by 2F1 minus F0 minus F2 into C. Mode is equal to L1 plus F1 minus F0 divided by 2F1 minus F0 minus F2 into C. Apply. Which range you have selected? Highest is 45, 50 to 60. L1 is 50 plus. What is your F1? 45. What is your F0? 25. 2 into 45 minus 25 minus your F2 is 32 into 10. Simplify. 50. 45 minus 25, 0. 20 divided by 90 minus 25 minus 32. Minus should be added. 57 into 10. This is 50. 20 into 10 is 200 divided by 33. This is 50. 200 divided by 33. 200 divided by 33. 6.06. 56.06. This is your mode. So, what's the formula? Mode lies in highest frequency. Your highest frequency is 45, behind is 25, 245 minus 25 minus 32 into 10. So, minus should be added. It's not minus into minus plus. Minus should be added. 2 into 45 is 95, 25 minus 32, 57 into 10. 20 into 10 is 233 divide 6.66, add to 50, 56.06. We'll go last one. We'll go to problem number 3. Wages below 50, below 100, below 150, below 200, below 250, below 300, below 350, below 400. So difference of how much? 50. Here you write. Class below 50 means, difference of 50 means 0 to 50, 50 to 100, 100 to 150, 150 to 200, 200 to 250, 250 to 300, 300 to 350, 350 to 400. Frequency. Yeah. See that all are increasing. So it's a cumulative frequency. This should be converted to a frequency. What's the first one? 20. Difference is 35 means how much difference? 15. Then this is 35 plus 5, 40. 25. Then 60 to 88, 28. 88 to 120 is 32. 120 to 140, 20. 140 to 150, 10. This is 5. Add the frequency. 20 plus 15 plus 25 plus 28 plus 32 plus 20 plus 10 plus 5. 155. This n is 155. So this and this should be one and the same. Then mid value 0 to 50 divided by 2 is 25. 50 to 100 is 150 divided by 2 is 75. So there is a difference of 50. So 175 plus 50, 75 plus 50 is 125. So 350 divided by 2, 175, 225. This is 200 plus 250, 200 plus 250 divided by 2 is 225. Then 250 plus 300, 550 divided by 2, 275. 300 to 350, this is 650 divided by 2, 325. 275, it is 325. 350 plus 300, 650 divided by 2, 325. Then 350 plus 400, 750 divided by 2, 375. Mid value. Then D dash as 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. FT dash 20 into 0 is 0. 15 ones are 15. 25 twos are 50. 28 into 3, 84. 32 into 4, 128. 20 into 5, 100. 10 into 6, 60. 35. Add the figure. 15 plus 50 plus 84 plus 128 plus 100 plus 60 plus 35. 472. Sigma FT dash. 472. Now you have to make the CF here. Here, frequency is there, you make the CF. What is the first frequency? 20. Here. This is your CF. 35, 60, 88, 120, 140, 150, 158. Given is the frequency. Okay. We'll move on to problem now. Mean A plus or minus sigma FT dash divided by N into C. What is your assumed? Assumed is 25 plus what is sigma FT dash? 472 divided by number of frequency 155 into class interval is 50. Simplify 25, 472 into 50, 470, 23,600 divided by 155, 25 plus 23,600 divided by 155, 152.25 plus 25, 177.25. This goes to mean. Now, simplify this one. 50 is there. Median is equal to n by 2. What's your n? 155 by 2. See that? Your median is 155 by 2. This is 155 divided by 2, 77.5. Find 77.5 in CF, where the 77.5 will come under 88. This is your CF, it will come under 88. Your range is 150 to 200. This is your frequency. This is your, what called, where it lies under 8 behind that. Okay. This is your frequency level. Apply the formula. Median is equal to L1 plus N by 2 minus CF over F into C is equal to, which range you are selected? 150 to 200. This is your class. 150 divided by 77.5 minus, behind that you selected this one, 88. This is your frequency. This is your frequency. Behind, which range you have selected? 68. Behind is 60 divided by constant frequency of your group, 28 into 50. This is 150 plus 77 minus 60 is 17.5 into 50 divided by 28 is equal to 150 plus, simplify this, 17.5 into 50, 875 divided by 28, 31.25 plus 150, 181.25. Now, the last one, mode lies in highest frequency. Come back here. Mode lies in highest frequency. Your highest frequency is 32. This is F1. This is F0. This is F2. So, we'll apply. Mode is equal to L1 plus F1 minus F0 to F1 minus F0 minus F2 into C. What's your L1 highest range you selected? 200 to 250, 200. What's your F1? 32 minus, behind number is 28 divided by 2 into 32 minus 28. Your F2 is 20 into your class interval is 50. This is 200. 32 minus 28 is 4. 64. 28 plus 20, 48 into 50. This is 200 plus 4. 4 into 50 is 200 divided by 16. This is 200. Now you have to divide 200 divided by 16, 12.5 plus 200, 212.5. Your mode range is 150 to 200, near range. Then highest is 32 minus 28 divided by 64. So your range select here. Mode here. Here is your mode. Between 200 to 250. So answer has been come 212.5. I have gone detailedly mean, median, and mode. One is more than, one is less than, one is regular formula. Then how to convert CF into F? I have already told you. I have solved about the three problems. In the next session, I am going to solve another three problems, and totally we are going to solve about the 9 problems about mean, median, mode. So till then, goodbye. Meet in the next class with another three problems.